In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to recode variables for data preparation within the RDS Analyst program. The first thing that we're going to do is load in a data set to use as an example. To do this, we hit the package data and hit the example faux. Now that we have the faux data set in, we see that there are three variables, x, y, and z, that have levels red, black, red, and we can see the x has levels blue and red by hitting the variable view, y has levels black, blue, and green, and z has variables blue and red. But what if we had mislabeled this? What if instead of light blue, we actually meant light blue? There's an easy way to recode this in RDS Analyst. Simply go to Data, Recode Variables. Select the variables that you want to recode, and then hit Define Recode. Here we can see the different levels that each variable has. And what we want to do is we want to code the value equal to blue and code this into light blue. And we add this recoding to the recodings list. Now we see that blue is going to light blue. Additionally, if this was a numeric variable, we could check for values less than or greater than a number, or define values between a number into a particular level. There's also a default else, so let's go ahead and, for fun, we'll call this not blue. So now what will happen is for each one of these x, y, and z, it'll code blue into light blue, and it'll code everything else into not blue. Okay. Now currently this is set up to overwrite. See, x is going into x, y is going into y, z is going into z. To have this recode into different variables, simply hit the target button. And x can be recoded into x.new, y can be recoded into y.new, and z can be recoded into z.new. Once we're all satisfied, we can hit the OK button to recode. And we see in our console that some output has been produced. And in the data viewer, we see three new variables with levels blue, light blue, and not blue. And in the data viewer, we can see that these have been created over here. And that's all there is to recoding.